guys. Today we're playing Granny.
No, that's the doctor. It's an X-ray too.
Oh, okay. But we're going to play. It's about time we teach Granny a little lesson. No, we ate some. Sorry.
Salami sandwiches.
No.
Didn't have donuts. French toast bites.
Oh no, I accidentally opened my mouth. By the way, so we are playing Granny right now.
It's at 10:30 and
So where's Granny?
Look at my
Granny! Granny, where are you?
I have my unicorn.
What happens if you press that? Oh.
You played the video.
There you go, babe.
No, I want to say hi to you.
No! No! I'm going this way. Bye, Granny! Gurky! 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 Karky, gurky, same thing. Same sounding. Same syllable. I mean, yeah, same two syllables. Ah! Yeah! Granny, come and get me! After I get Granny, we're gonna teach Granny a little lesson. We're gonna teach Granny a little lesson. Okay. Alright, starting now. The lesson starts now. Alright. Granny! No! No! I almost died. Oh. Alright. I was so close to dead. I was excited. Sorry guys, I was excited. Alright, so there was Angelina, Granny's mom. There's Granny's mama. Chilling there. Just chilling there. One time I played Granny, I shot Granny. Yo, it lagged and it was already a ghost. Yeah. I'm just making sure. Yo, Granny's nowhere else. Granny! Come here, Granny! I need to find a book. Yeah, I almost got caught by Granny. I almost got smacked in the head. Yeah, I'm so good at this game. Even though it's been a while since I last played. Oh no! The camera lagged. Okay. Alright, here we are. What is that? Is that pixels? Look at that. Yeah, we're definitely breaking the fourth wall. Yo, look, you can hide behind this thing. Yo, this is like a new hiding spot in Granny. Behind the playhouse. Behind the playhouse is like a hiding spot.
High five.
I'm gonna test out my new hiding spot. You want no? Alright, I'm putting the shotgun part down the stairs. Yeah, I'm just gonna skip all this.
The only thing she's worried about is that I'm gonna get pneumonia from not being able to take deep breaths.
What's pneumonia?
Pneumonia, like cold, but
Ooh.
bad, usually gotta be hospitalized. Back in still have the same back in the day, people died.
My camera's not working.
I've had pneumonia before in the hospital.
Alright. Yo, spark plug? Yo, spark plug's a stoop.
That was luck. So I'm supposed to take as deep a breaths as I can. 3 times a day.
That's the deep. Here are my deep breaths. Oh wait, I already pulled the lever. Dang, I forgot. Alright, now I gotta leave the room. Get out of her way.
If I start running fever, getting a cough, stuff like that. You know, like it'd be a cold.
Yeah, I know.
I have to go back in there.
Alright, I have the. There's a bear.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want you to go to hospital.
Again.
Then you'll have to come stay with me, and I have to bring a suitcase and sleep.
Yo, Finn, what are you doing? Are you coughing or something? Throwing up?
Because I don't want to be without you.
Yeah, me either.
You can bring your tablet. I bring my tablet.
I'll bring my
We can
phone.
watch TV and
Yeah.
And do a lot of stuff.
I'll make an account and I'll play. What's that one?
Granny?
Imposter.
Oh, Among Us?
Yeah, Among Us.
Yeah. You keep forgetting the name.
I do.
Yeah. Because it's been a while. Yeah, you thought of that one by yourself. Yo, we can do the thing without the winch handle. And just like a little, or you can just go down there. Did Granny smack us, put us down there? Nah.
Yay.
We're teaching Granny a little lesson today. We're teaching Granny a little lesson today.
Guess what song was in the car that I was just listening
Yo,
to when I pulled into the garage?
I
specialty.
thought I'm
Duh.
broken.
Yeah. You hear that, Mace?
What?
When I pulled into the garage, Broken was playing on the radio.
Oh, lucky. I wish I was. No! No!
Go to hospital without me to
Nah!
come with you. Well, I'll do it anyway.
Hear that? Spouses.
What spouses?
Like if you're married, your wife or your husband.
Oh, good.
Last time in the hospital, Nana was there a lot.
Yeah, that's how you stop the spider
Nanny.
for a while. But if you go over here, he'll run after you, or if you get too close to him.
Real bad.
But instead, you can just get the meat or just shoot the crossbow dart.
So I'm allowed to stay with you?
No, not stay the night. I don't want to go to the hospital, so quit thinking about staying with me. I want to stay here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, I have the remote control. Yo.
Why are you jumping around?
Alright. Ow! Alright. Drop the Skittle. Oh! Whoa! The thing just dropped.
You come to me because you know I'll let you out. Yeah,
But I'm gonna shoot. No! No! What? No, that's not fair, bro. I feel like having chicken legs for lunch. Oh,
No,
I heard something drop.
I don't want chicken legs for lunch. I want hot pockets.
Alright, you can have that. I'll have something else. I'll have a Lunchable. I don't have our Lunchables today. I got Granny right in the pee-pee. Ew. Seriously, I actually did, bruh. I'm sus. Oh yeah, the key code is not there. I remember. I gotta brush my teeth after this video. Yeah. Oh no, didn't mean to do that. Okay. Anything? No? You can blind Granny. The pepper spray. Yeah, I need that key. Cause I'm not finding anything at all. All right, here it is. No, we need a Granny roleplay. We need a Granny roleplay to get a Granny multiplayer. Yo, won't take long before she gets back. I hear, yo, that's Granny's mom, that's Angelina. Oh my god, that's so loud. What is that? Her head is on a spider body. Ew. No. No, Granny's over here. Oh yeah, she hurt the hammer. Alright. There's something at the end of that door, at the other side of that door. Alright. Alright. We already got that. Already found a hammer. No, I'm not. Yeah, I gotta show my dad the video I found last night, the funny video I found last night. I found a video last night and it was hilarious. Whoa! Whoa! Yo, I got an idea. I'm going somewhere else playing this. Alright, this is a place where we get to be pretty loud. Pretty loud in here. Alright. I'm scared. I'm gonna look in the glove box. Oh no, I already did. I gotta restart because I lost the rusty padlock key. Or you know what? This is part 1. There's Granny. I'm just gonna get jump scared. Bye. It's time for so long. KKPz plays O Drama. KKPz plays O Drama. It's the end of this video.